Hi guys, welcome to Hop Academy. I'm Rick. Today I'm going to bring you something. This too? No. Not only the Maruti 9011. Why I have two 9011? This already old model. Why I have to end up having a review now? Actually, I'm not going to test the gun. I'm going to test Hop Up. One is by A+ Airsoft, and the other one is by Airsoft of Taiwan. See if we change the Hop Up, what will happen? Okay, it's now to test the Hop Up. See the power. And this one here, we are using the original Maruti Hop Up. And today we're testing using green gas for test. See the power. And now we are going to test the Hop Up by Airsoft of Taiwan, also using green gas. See, will the power increase or not? Now we are going to test the A+ Airsoft Hop Up whopper. See, will the power increase? Yeah, after testing 3 different whopper, the original one, A+ Airsoft, and the Airsoft of Taiwan's whopper, you can see the power has a little bit increased. And afterwards, we are going to test how far it can shoot. Okay, it's time to test how far it can shoot. You can see I'm standing here, but I'm going to go over there, should be about 30 or 40 meters, to shoot the balls over there. Yes, the water went in. And now I'm going. Okay, you see, I'm just. Okay, here I'm standing here is around 30 meters something, should be 40 meters. And I'm going to test the Airsoft Taiwan's Hop Up now. What do you think? Okay, of course we are not only testing the Airsoft Taiwan Hop Up, we are going to test the A+ Hop Up also. We're going to test now. What do you think? Hi, I'm now going to test the A+ Airsoft Hop Up whopper in 10 meters. I'm just sitting next to the camera and I'm going to shoot now. Now I'm going to test the AST Airsoft of Thailand hot bopper. After shooting those 30 and 10 meters, you can find that they have a good result. What do you think? Anyways, welcome to Public Enemy and thanks for watching.